Hi everyone, welcome to Papa's Workshop. Today I want to do a real short video on a device that I think you're absolutely going to love. So let's get started. Okay, it's time to go ahead and open this charger. And let's get this out of this box. So this is it. This is a very sturdy case that I think is going to hold up to a lot of abuse. I know it's going to be taking abuse in my shop. I like the fact that it's got the 3 outlets, so you're not losing anything on the wall outlets. I like the 2 USB ports that are up front. This is a 5 volt 2.4 amp for the charging power. That's up to 12 watts. These outlets are your typical 125 AC volts that are on the 15 amps. Now this material, from the standpoint of safety, this material is a fireproof material that ensures that it's going to remain functional even in an environment up to 750 degrees Celsius. I'm not even sure what that is to convert over to Fahrenheit, but that's a very high temperature. Boiling is 100 degrees Celsius. I'm going to bet that there's a lot of you out there that do quite a bit of traveling and spend time in airports. And you're all the time having your phone or your tablets or even your computers die at the worst possible moment. And you're trying to find a charger outlet, and you go into the airport and all the outlets are full. Well, this device right here by TECKIN will help solve that problem. You can actually plug this into any of the outlets, and you're not going to disrupt anybody else from being able to charge their device. Because if this will take up the one, you'll still have the one above, and you've got 3 additional outlets, plus you've got 2 USB outlets. So you can easily plug in your tablet into one of these ports, and you're going to get 5 volts, 2.4 amps, so you're going to be able to charge your device quickly. I know in my shop I'm running into that problem all the time because I'm using the tablet in the shop, I'm using the cameras to be able to record, and those batteries are always dying. So I need this device, and I've been using this now for a couple of weeks in the shop, and it really works great. I can actually plug it into an extension cord even and bring the pad or the cameras to where I need it and continue on filming, and I like being able to do that. So this is a really great device to be able to have, and I'm going to put a link in the description for TECKIN to be able to order this. Now, as luck would have it, my camera battery did die, and I'm actually plugging that in right now. Let me show it to you. I'm going to turn the camera around so that you can see it. So here it is sitting on the workbench, charging my camera as I'm taking this video. That really prevented me from having to stop and be able to do this video later. And I like the fact that it actually has 3 outlets, so 1 on each of the sides, and that is fantastic. And no, it doesn't have one on the top, but that gives you the 3 outlets plus the 2 USB ports, which are great. So this company had reached out to me to be able to offer this to you guys, and after having it in the shop now for a couple of weeks, I really like it, and it's a definite advantage because I can take this just about anywhere in the shop I want as long as I've got an extension cord, and I can keep videotaping. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description so that you can order this, and I think you're going to be really pleased with it. So again, this was just a real short video to be able to introduce this TECKIN device to you, but take advantage of this opportunity. Throw one in your suitcase next time you go on a trip and have to go through the airports. Have one in your shop, or if you have a charging station at home, this makes it so much easier to be able to plug in all your devices and not have to worry about those bulky chargers that plug in and get in the way of every other cord that you're trying to plug into the outlet. I keep this one now plugged into the shop all the time, and anytime I need to be able to recharge my cameras or my tablet, I can quickly and easily plug it in. And if I need to move the camera someplace else, I'll just take an extension cord, plug this in, and I can keep going. Hi everyone, thank you for watching my video today. If you like the video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it so you'll be notified on the different videos that I upload. Also check out the videos over here to be able to stay up to date on the happenings in my shop. So again, thank you for watching my videos.